Welcome to our joint Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 1 singing assembly. We are going to be talking about our social distancing song today. So, Key Stage 2, bit of a surprise for you. We're going to start, as we always do with our Key Stage 1 singing assembly, by warming up our voices, by putting our hands in the air and going, hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Now, I hope some of you have looked on our YouTube site and seen this song already, the social distancing song. But if you haven't, let's have a listen to the chorus just to begin. Here we go. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. There we go. Now, we've got some actions to do this. Take one step back. Can you do that? Take one step back. Let's try it with the music. Here we go. Take one step back. There you go. Easy. And then another. So take one step back and then another. And then we're going to make some space. Can you use your elbows to make some space? I need some room. Okay, make some space to make things safe. So, protecting hand, bring it towards yourself. Safe. Want to be safe. Make some space to make things safe. To make it safe. So that is, take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all, now look after, we're going to protect each other. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Okay, let's try that with the music. 1, 2, 3, take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Goodness me, I got a bit stuck with safe, didn't I? Nice flat hand underneath, coming towards me like that. Let's try that one more time. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Getting it? Good. Let's look at the next verse. And if you sneeze, well, we know how to sneeze, don't we? But don't actually sneeze. If you sneeze, you need to cover. Can you do cover for me? So, and if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. So we're not going to sneeze into our hands, because then our hands go on our face and touch everything, and oh dear, we're going to sneeze into our elbows. Much healthier. Okay? And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. We can all look after each other. One step, two step back. Okay, let's try those two verses together. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll look after each other. One step, two step back. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. We can all look after each other. One step, two step back. Good. Right, we've now got a different section. We can still play games. We can still be friends. So we've got, we can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to keep it safe. to keep us safe. I must get these words right. I wrote them. This is very silly. So, we can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to keep us safe. And then we go back to the main tune. Just try that. See if you can do the actions. I'm going to play the piano, so I'm not going to be able to do the actions. But you can remember, play games, friends, remember, make some space, keep us safe. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to keep us safe. And off we go with the chorus. So, shall we try? Ooh, something went in my eye. Interesting. Shall we try the whole thing from start to finish? Let's see if we can do all the actions. Here we go. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. We can all look after each other. One step, two step back. We can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to keep us safe. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to keep us safe. That's how we'll look after each other. One step, two step back. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to keep it safe. That's how we'll look after each other. One step, two step back. There we go. So, that's our social distancing song. Shall we sing our Swaffield School song, just to remind us that even though we haven't been able to be all together, we are still all Swaffield School. Let's have a good old sing. Sometimes we work, sometimes we play, and there will times when you don't know what to say. But don't give up, you can be strong. We're here beside you and we'll sing this song, because we are Swaffield School, and here at Swaffield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swaffield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together, Swaffield School forever. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but always try to be the best that you can be. When you can't choose which team you're in, it doesn't matter, don't you see? Because we are Swaffield School, and here at Swaffield School we stand shoulder to shoulder, growing wiser, growing older. We are Swaffield School and we know the golden rule. We are stronger together, Swaffield School forever. We are stronger together, Swaffield School forever. I hope you had a jolly good sing doing that, and maybe we could get the grown-ups to join in as well. Fantastic. See you next time.